In today's video, I'll teach you how to call Amazon customer service. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. So you might be going through a lot of articles and topics in order to find the phone number of Amazon customer support. It is quite hard to find. So what you have to do is simply click on the search bar. Now type in Amazon customer service number. Press enter. Now you'll be able to find bunch of results over here. What you have to do is simply look for the link provided by amazon.com only. Over here you'll be able to see the link name, help and contact us, Amazon customer service. If you click on this, the link will be opened. But whenever you open this link, you'll be able to find various topics and subtopics and categories. So the phone number will get lost. But over here you'll be able to see the description. In the description itself, you'll be able to find this phone number. So this is basically the phone number of Amazon customer service. You can select this phone number and press Ctrl C on your keyboard. Now after you do that, this particular phone number will be copied. Now what you can do is simply dial this phone number. After you do that, you'll be able to contact them via the phone call. So like this, you'll be able to contact them. So that is how you call Amazon customer service. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.